So in this video, I'm going to show you how to identify the right versus wrong side of your crochet when you're working in a round. And right versus wrong is really your preference. People call it the right side versus the wrong side because there's usually a preference for what's called the right side since it looks a little bit neater than the wrong side. So here I have a round piece that has naturally started to curve when I started crocheting. And to show you as a reference point the direction I was crocheting, since I'm a righty, I was crocheting to the left. And I used the stitch marker to indicate the first stitch of every round, so I just made a new round there. So I'm gonna put my stitch marker back in here, and I think it'll help you also see the difference in orientation. All right, so the way that your piece naturally curves will naturally show the wrong side on the outside. And you can tell because you can see these horizontal bars along the piece. So the only thing you have to do to get the right side to face you is to press on the middle of your piece until you've literally flipped it inside out. And now, if you want to orient the piece so that you can go back to crocheting as you normally would, as doing this at this angle would be kind of awkward, just flip your piece around as well. So now it looks like a cup that you're holding. And the reason why you can see that it's the right side on the outside now is that now you can see these vertical V's on the outside of your piece.